I'm very picky about when and if I actually swim in an ocean. If the water is cloudy, that's a no for me. I mean, who knows what kind of fins and teeth lurk in the murk. My most important issue is water temperature. For me, it's the warmer the better. The problem is global warming. While it's making me a little more comfortable during my splashy time, the higher ocean temps are wreaking havoc on some marine life and coral. Well, now ocean researchers are going with the belief that they can supercharge the reef. Here's Adam Yamaguchi to explain.
The vibrant colors of a coral reef are a wonder to behold, but the colors are fading, a tragic symptom of the declining health of one of the ocean's most vital ecosystems. Marine biologists are frantically researching ways to rehabilitate the reefs, including the Coral Resilience Lab in Hawaii. I made the trip to the island of Oahu to meet molecular ecologist Nia Walker to learn how the lab is helping coral reefs to survive and thrive.
So what is the mission of the Coral Resilience Lab?
So ultimately, our goal is to study heat stress resilience in adult corals that we find out here in Kaneohe Bay. And then we also do some work on selective breeding.
So what is the importance of heat-resistant coral now?
Oceans are getting warmer, which is leading to more frequent and more intense heating events, which are very harmful for corals. There are some corals that are very heat tolerant, and other corals that aren't that tolerant at all. So we think that those really heat tolerant corals will have a better shot of persisting through time as the oceans continue to warm. An estimated 25% of all marine biodiversity live on coral reefs. Corals make up less than 1%, we think, of the ocean floor. It's really amazing that an ecosystem that makes up so little space can have such a huge impact.
Nia walked me across their research island to an outdoor lab where they breed corals for stronger heat tolerances.
So these are little baby corals.
Yeah, so we took their parents from the surrounding bay here, and we have bred these. And so we're interested in how does heat resistance, heat recovery, heat tolerance transfer to the next generation.
Nia showed me the lab tables where corals are exposed to dramatic increases in water temperature.
It could be 6 to 7 degrees Celsius of a jump over a few hours. Those are the most extreme sort of experiments that we do. We also have some experiments where it'll be a 5-degree Celsius jump over 2 weeks. In terms of coral bleaching or heating events around the world, you'll see bleaching happening over a slow kind of ramp up, so it could be 1 to 2 months. So this is kind of a way to speed up that process and get a sense of relative heat tolerance on a faster timescale.
The Coral Resilience Lab is also launching one of the first large-scale coral restoration projects, outplanting heat-tolerant coral between different reefs and studying how well they thrive in different environments, which could spell a return to healthy corals, stunning colors, and most of all, happy fish.